nowadays people are suffering from anxiety. What is the meaning of that depression? Is it related to anxiety? Is it related to stress? What do you understand by that? I mean, and please tell us ki depression is the same thing that is stress, depression is the same thing that is anxiety, or it is something else?
See, basically, first of all, it's a really very good question, and first of all, we would like to understand these things in our society around us. You will see many people are, saying in these days, I'm in depression, I'm in depression. So, first of all, I can say, depression become a trend, depression become a fashion for us, for everyone here in this society. So, we should first understand what is the meaning of depression. So, depression is a very broad thing. Right, yeah. It's not a very small thing. So people are easily saying, in these days I am into depression. But so what is the meaning of depression? I think they are not aware, what is the depth of depression. So on depression stage, you can say, it's always stress. It's always start from anxiety when anyone, around your friend or whoever, around you. कोई इंसान सबसे पहले एक एक्साइटी को क्रिएट करता है अपने अंदर, राइट? एक्साइटी क्रिएट होती है किसी भी XYZ इश्यूज की वजह से, राइट? एंड वो एक्साइटी धीरे धीरे जब बढ़नी शुरू हो जाती है तो उस इंसान के जो थॉट प्रोसेस होता है वो और ज़्यादा हावी होना शुरू हो जाता है उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया की तरफ जिसकी वजह से वो परेशान है. एंड दैट चैलेंज बिकम the reason of anxiety, right? And that anxiety, always next step is stress. When that person is every day thinking about that same problem, same situation, जब वो सेम चीज के बारे में हर वक्त हर समय 24 hours in loop that person is thinking about that problem, so that anxiety become stress, right? Okay. And then stress become depression one day. Okay. Right, so this is the process. So it's over the night. आप कभी भी नहीं बोल सकते कि मेरे को आज मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ या आज मेरा डिप्रेशन हो गया. नॉट एट ऑल. इट्स अ वेरी सिली थिंग. सो सबसे पहले इंसान उसके थॉट प्रोसेस में उसके ब्रेन में एक्साइटी क्रिएट होती है. दैट पर्सन फीलिंग वेरी लोनली, दैट पर्सन फीलिंग वेरी डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम सोसाइटी, राइट? सो एक्साइटी देन स्ट्रेस, बिकॉज जब उसे सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलता उन चीज़ों का, उन प्रॉब्लम्स का, दैट पर्सन ऑलवेज ट्राइड उस प्रॉब्लम को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए वो जब सारी चीज़ें कर चुका होता है, जब सारे वट एवर थिंकिंग कमिंग इन हीज और हर माइंड, दैट पर्सन इज अप्लाइंग एवरीथिंग, बट उसके बावजूद भी उसे सक्सेस उस चीज़ में नहीं मिलती है, सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलता है, तो उसके बाद वो इंसान स्ट्रेस लेना शुरू कर देता है, क्योंकि जब सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलता, दैट पर्सन फीलिंग काइंड ऑफ अ फेलियर इन लाइफ. And that the reason of failure, that's problem.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yes.
The failure, don't you think the failure is a small word, but we are making it so large?
Absolutely.
Like it can be a cause for depression as well, but we say depression. But a failure, what I believe, failure is the first step for success. Don't you believe that? Like why we are going to stress on failure? Why we are going to stress on anxiety? And after that we will make problem for ourselves itself. Because we are not sharing anything from anyone. Like we are not sharing our thoughts. We are not sharing our viewpoints with anyone. And now we are thinking in our own area. And then we go it with suppose I have an example for anything, or I have a suggestion for every different aspect. But the person whom I am talking to, he can have also a different viewpoint.
Absolutely.
Then why are not we taking it in a positive way? The way we are thinking, यार मैंने ऐसा बोला, he should accept that. And then we go with like नहीं उसने ऐसा सोचा, मैंने ऐसा सोचा. Then we create a stress, then we create anxiety, and what do you? I mean that causes go to with the depression and all.
Absolutely. These all are the reason behind of our stress and depression as well. But we can't say it's a complete package, because there are another outside factor as well where depression is creating or stress is creating in our mind, in our thought process. So that's something very technical thing, because the failure you are talking about, failure, definitely we should not avoid failure. We should not afraid from failure, because failure is a part of our life. If we are not failure, that means we are not a successful person. Definitely. Because failure is our first step, like as you said, failure is I really 100% completely agreed on your this statement. Failure is our first step of our success. So when we are training our brain, our thought process, or if somebody is nurturing his or her child as well. So I would suggest to everyone कि बच्चे को सक्सेस से ज़्यादा जरूरी है उसको फेलियर को कैसे फेस करना है वो सिखाया जाए. राइट. सक्सेस सेलिब्रेशन एक बच्चा या एक इंसान ऑटोमेटिकली सीख लेता है बिकॉज दैट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, इमोशंस एंड ऑल. बट दैट फेलियर समटाइम मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि पेरेंट्स बच्चों को फेलियर कैसे फेस करना है वो चीज़ें नहीं सिखा पाते, प्रैक्टिकली नई चीज़ों को एग्जीक्यूट करना सिखा पाते हैं, जिसके कारण जब वो बच्चा नर्चर होता है और जब वो बड़ा होता है, यूथ होता है, टीनेजर होता है, जब उसके एग्जाम्स कम आते हैं, जॉब में नहीं सक्सेस हो पाता है या प्रोजेक्ट नहीं सक्सेसफुल हो पाता है, बिजनेस नहीं चल पाता है, तो इंसान उस फेलियर से इतना भागता है ना, एक दिन वो एग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस और देन डिप्रेशन में आता है.
Right, you are absolutely right. And if we talk about on the personal level,
Absolutely.
like leave everything professionally, we talk about personal level. The way people are in their relationship nowadays, suppose anyone in any other relationship, what we do, like that person is not we can say कि हमारी किसी बात पे पर्सनली झगड़ा हो जाता है, then we take it very seriously and we thought on that, then we think यार उसको जब तक हम गुस्से में नहीं निकालेंगे then we lose everything and all. तो जो रिलेशनशिप है, these are also factor, like रिलेशनशिप चलना या ना चलना, it totally depends on both the person. But once हम दूसरे की सिचुएशन को ना समझकर और उस चीज़ों को हम उसको इतना ज़्यादा लिंगर ऑन कर लेते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि हमें कोई नहीं समझ रहा है, and then we go in stress on the same level, then we call it depression. और फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, डॉक्टर उसको गोलियां देता है, मेडिसिन देता है, मेडिसिन के थ्रू हम अपने आप को ठीक करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
So I would suggest first is medicine is not a solution, right? Medicine is not a first solution. First of all, एक इंसान जो डिप्रेशन में, स्ट्रेस में है, उसको सबसे पहले इस सिचुएशन को अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा. इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन और you can say the reason of depression, so that person should have counseling sessions from any expert. So that is the most important thing, right? And second thing, sharing. Sharing is very important. If you are feeling something, if you are thinking something, share with your dearest one. If you can't share with your nearest and dearest people, so definitely you should share with your counselor and coach as well. Because being a coach, I can also say, we always take care about feelings, emotions of others, and we always try to provide the best solution to everyone, because this life is very small, and we all are amazing in this universe, and this universe, so we are here to just spread happiness, right? So I'm coming on your question. You talked about the relationship. So what I can say here is all about related because of overthinking. Most of time अगला इंसान क्या बोल रहा है, क्या रिएक्ट कर रहा है, किस तरीके से कर रहा है, rather than you are not getting clarity with that person, you are overthinking on that situation, and by that overthinking you are making your thought process more complicated, and that going into stress, going into anxiety, going into depression.
That's really true. And if I ask you one thing, what is the role of our family? What is the role of our surrounding in that? How can they help us? Or how can they help that person who is feeling that he or she is in depression?
So you are talking about for relationship, right?
Yeah.
So see, if I'm talking about relationship, so there are many kind of relationship. If you are talking about our love partner relationship.
If we talk about professional also, like sometime we feel that thing in profession also, like we are working on something and we are not getting the accurate result, you can say. So we think like यार कब से कर रहे हैं but result नहीं मिल रहा. How can we do that thing also in professional life and personal life as well? How can our surroundings help us in that?
See, first of all, it depends on how we are creating positivity in ourselves every day, right? How we are healing ourselves every day. First of all, we will have to heal ourselves to create that positive aura, to create that positive environment, right? So definitely, people are not negative. It's all about the thought process are negative. Thought process are in different way. So what I believe personally, as a coach, as a trainer, and I'm very sure you are also coach. You must be agreed on it. So we change people's thought from negative to positive. Right. लोगों को बदलना is not a solution. लोगों की thought बदलना is a solution. हम लोग कब तक इन्वायरमेंट बदलते रहेंगे, कंपनीज बदलते रहेंगे, लोग बदलते रहेंगे, फैमिली बदलते रहेंगे, देश बदलते रहेंगे, सोसाइटी बदलते रहेंगे. इफ यू विल सी फ्रॉम योर नेगेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव, एवरीवन इज नेगेटिव.
Right.
If you will see from positive perspective, definitely I completely agree. It's also fact and reality कि जब एक इंसान ऐसी सिचुएशंस को फेस करता है तो उसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जिसका उसको कंक्लूजन नहीं मिलता है और फिर वो चीज़ें या वो इंसान उसके लिए नेगेटिव होना शुरू हो जाता है, चाहे वो फैमिली में हो, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, राइट. बट again, I'm talking about healing, self-healing. If you are doing self-healing for yourself, you have power, you have capability, you have skills, you can change the game.
Right.
Because that complete game is related with your life, and your life is your life. If you are changing someone else's life, you can change first your life also.
Right. So Arjun, what do you think? Like, if we talk about the depression, what is your advice to our youth or the person who is having the same problem? What is your advice as a coach? What the person should do in that case?
So what I would suggest, first of all, दिमाग से ये जो एक बहुत भारी सा वर्ड है आजकल जो चल रहा है, डिप्रेशन, एक तो इसको हटा दो, राइट. यू शुड थिंक, इफ सो लाइफ है, लाइफ में अप भी होगा, डाउन भी होगा, चैलेंजेस आएंगे भी, चैलेंजेस आएंगे भी, ये चैलेंजेस यूँ भी होंगे, चैलेंजेस यूँ भी होंगे, राइट. सो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट टू एवरीवन, सो चैलेंजेस आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ और इस चीज़ को सबसे पहले एक्सेप्ट करने की ज़रूरत है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माई फर्स्ट एडवाइस इज एक्सेप्टेंस. Acceptance is very important rather than failure, rather than success, whatever. Acceptance are very important. You should be into acceptance mode, right?
Right.
When you will come into acceptance mode, so then you will see that challenges, whatever happening around you, is because of you.
Yeah.
Right? You will not blame to someone else.
Yeah.
जब आप किसी पे blame नहीं करोगे तो जाहिर सी बात है आप उसका conclusion भी खुद ही ढूंढोगे, right? And depression is a very broad word. If you will not think about depression, if you will live your life with these challenges and you will face that challenges, you will get solution, you will get clarity, and you will move on from that particular situation.
Right.
Or either if you stuck, if you are thinking कि मैं एक problem, एक challenge में ऐसा फंस गया हूँ या फंस गई हूँ, पिछले so many years I am into that,
Right.
and मैं उससे निकल नहीं पा रहा हूँ या निकल नहीं पा रही हूँ, in that case take a break. Again rethink on that situation, again rethink on that particular person, and then make a different strategy for your life, for yourself, and move on.
Okay, that's really nice.
Yes.
And tell me one thing, Arjun, like as a coach, you meet so many people.
Yes.
बिल्कुल different तरीके के लोग होते हैं,
Absolutely.
different nature होता होगा हर एक बंदे का. You get so many time to interact with other persons, like हर किसी से different तरीके से interact करना होता होगा. तो what do you think? क्या हमारी लाइफ में genuinely इतना stress है और we are making it?
See, so as a human being, stress हो जाता है लाइफ में. We
Right.
can't decline. अगर मैं बोलूँ as a life coach मेरी लाइफ में stress नहीं होता, no, I'm lying.
Yeah, right.
I'm also human being, right? God ने सबको एक साथ एक जैसा ही बना के भेजा है, है ना?
बिल्कुल.
So ऐसा नहीं है, इमोशंस नहीं है, फीलिंग्स नहीं है, अच्छे इमोशंस भी हैं, बुरे इमोशंस भी हैं. जो बुरे इमोशंस होते हैं वो स्ट्रेस का रीजन बन जाते हैं. तो स्ट्रेस होता है, बट वी शुड नो अबाउट टेक्निक्स, how we can handle smartly this stress, how we can overcome from this stress, right? So as I said, before that as well, कि एग्जाइटी, सबसे पहले एग्जाइटी को हम लोग कंट्रोल करें. जब एग्जाइटी होना शुरू हो रहा है सबसे पहले उसके ऊपर काम करें, उसके कंक्लूजन को ढूंढें. जब हम एग्जाइटी का कंक्लूजन ऑन टाइम कर देंगे तो स्ट्रेस तक वो सिचुएशन पहुंचेगी नहीं. जब अगर आप एग्जाइटी से स्ट्रेस पे पहुंच गए हो XYZ रीजन की वजह से, तो आप स्ट्रेस का जो रीजन है, जैसा मैंने कहा, टेक ए ब्रेक एंड वर्क ऑन दैट, राइट. जब आप उस पर काम करोगे, अल्टरनेटिव ढूंढोगे, if you have will option, if you have options, ये सारे options
Right,
आपके
right,
पास
right.
है, जो हमारा एक tool and technique होती है लाइफ कोचिंग की, right? So grow. So if you have these kind of tools, so definitely by these tools you can overcome.
Right.
And depression में पहुंचने का कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनता. So depression is a very big word. I would suggest to everyone, control your stress level. And stress हो जाता है, हर किसी के साथ होता है. इस यूनिवर्स में अगर आप स्ट्रेस में होते हो, ऐसा लगता है आपकी प्रॉब्लम सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, और होती भी है. लेकिन आपसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम में जो है उनको देखो, अपना सॉल्यूशन निकालो और मूव ऑन. वेरी इजी, नॉट रॉकेट साइंस.
Yeah, that's really true. Thank you so much, Arjun.
Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा रहा हमारा आज का सेशन.
Yes, thank you so much, and I'm wishing for great coaching from your side to other as well, because as a life coach, what you are doing, as your background is from human resource as well, so this profile I can say is completely suitable for you. So whatever you are going to do, I am very sure it will be awesome for others as well.
Yeah, hope so. Hope for the same. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.